Hey crocheters, my name is Eileen and this is my first tutorial. It's very exciting. I'm going to show you how I crochet over my ends because I think I do it differently than other people. So I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to finish this row and I am going to pick up my new yarn and I'm going to finish that last stitch with my new yarn. Do my chain one and turn. And now I think what most people do here is they just lay the new color down and sort of crochet over it. And I go one step further. I wrap this new yarn around a couple of my stitches. So without taking this out of the hook off the yarn off the hook, I'm going to go into the second stitch. And I'm just going to pull that new yarn through, like so. At this point, I drop that. And I'm just going to do that a few times, 4 or 5 times. And you can see that new color is nestled in there quite nicely. Just kind of fits in perfectly. I'm going to drop that now, and I am going to continue to crochet, just as I normally would. Okay, and I'm going to show you pretty close. You can't see it. Can't see it on either side. Now, if you're, nervous about that, you certainly could sew that under once and it'll have something really solid to grab onto. Or you can simply, I would just kind of pull that taut so you know that you're getting as close to the ends as possible. And just snip it. Not the best scissors. And that's it. I mean, I think that's in there pretty good. And just keep going. That is all. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. All the best.